So write down on the paper at 8 years old, what was your room like? What was your childhood room like? Where were you living? Who were you living with? Who were there in your home? What would you do the whole day? Just whatever comes to mind. I'll just, speed ask the questions so that you can speed write the answers. What was your childhood room like? Did you have a soft toy? Who were your close friends? What did you love to do when you didn't have to study? Did you write letters? Was there anything in particular that you love to do? Like anything creative? Anything like drawing or reading or playing some music or singing or dancing or anything? It doesn't matter if you were good at it or whatever social standards were there, but what did you love to do? What did your parents think of that pursuit? Did they encourage it? Did they think of it as a waste of time? Did they put you in a school? Did you like the school of being able to, if you love to dance, but you were put in a dance school, but maybe you did not like to go to the dance school as much as you love to dance. Did you like it? Did you share your interest with your friends, or was it a more personal, secret pursuit? Like, I loved to read as a child, but I don't remember there were too many other friends in school who I discussed books with, because they weren't reading so much. So books and reading was really more of a personal secret. So was it a shared interest? Was it a secret? What did your teachers think of it? What did your teachers think of you? When is the last time you did something that you love to do as an 8-year-old? If it was dancing, if it was singing, if it was reading a book, if it was writing poems, if it was painting, do you still do it? Or if not, when did you stop? Why did you stop? What did you put as a priority that costed you that pursuit, that joy? What would it take for you to do that again? What would it take for you to be able to allow yourself to do it again? What delights you? A good food, somebody else cooking, an ordering, a vacation. What delights you? What delights you? What makes you want to jump in joy? 5 things maybe, don't stop at 1 or 2. 5 things that delights you. What stops you from having more of it? Time, money, resources, that not being useful for your career, judgment, rebuke. If you could change one thing out in the world, what would that be? What is that one thing you want to change in the world? If it weren't too late, what would you do now? What would you do if you were 20 years, if you could go back 20 years in time? Would you live it differently? Would you do the same thing? Would you Would you do anything differently? Different career, different choices in life, different place to live in, different decisions? What would you do if you weren't afraid? What would you do if you weren't afraid to fail?